How to get a credit card for a salary below 2,500 United Arab Emirates dirhams in UAE. People in the UAE use credit cards to manage their finances in the fastest way. Banks and other financial institutions issue credit cards to their customers to help them pay for their goods and services with great ease. And these cardholders pay their dues to the credit card lenders at the end of the billing cycle. Most banks in the UAE offer credit cards for applicants with a monthly income of 5,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams or more. However, some other banks have this minimum income requirement reduced to 3,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams, AED 2,500 or less. The requirements and eligibility criteria to get a credit card in the UAE vary from bank to bank. Let us go ahead and learn about the eligibility criteria and process of applying for a credit card for a minimum salary of 2,500 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Eligibility criteria to get a credit card for a minimum salary of 2,500 United Arab Emirates dirhams in UAE. Here is the list of factors you need to qualify to get your credit card application approved. Age. The standard age limit for getting a credit card in the UAE is between 21 to 60 years. Some banks also offer credit cards for applicants more than 18 years old. The age requirements for different credit cards vary for different banks. Income. Most banks in the UAE offer credit cards for applicants with a minimum monthly income of 5,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams or more. However, some banks also offer credit cards with no minimum income requirement. Identity. The applicants need to verify their identity when applying for the best credit card in the UAE. If they are UAE residents, they can show Emirates ID. On the other hand, non-residents can submit their passports or visa to verify their identity. Address. The banks in the UAE ask for the address proof with a credit card application to verify the applicant's address. Credit history. Banks in the UAE check your credit score before approving your credit card application. The credit score ranges between 300 and 900. Make sure you maintain it around 700 to get a credit card application approved without any hassle. Documents required to get a credit card on below 2,500 United Arab Emirates dirham salary in UAE. The eligible candidates need to provide the following documents to complete their credit card application: Emirates ID, passport with residency visa, utility bills copy for address verification, last 3 months bank statement, trade license for self-employed employees, appointment letter or salary transfer letter, a working UAE mobile number.